The weatherman warned us a storm was on the way, and this is the evening sky before also warning us. So I ran out and took this little harvest before. Picked some Swiss chard for supper, to go with supper. A few tomatoes, very large carrots. And Bruce said they're way too big, so I went out and got some smaller ones because he likes to eat. They are ridiculous. I pulled this leek because it's also very, very big, and I don't like my vegetables to go too old, so I've got lots more out there. But I will certainly make use of that, maybe with the potatoes I got, maybe make a potato leek soup. Another rondenise, some beets, one's badly eaten there, but I'll chop it and just pickle those. I just pickle them as I go now, stick them in the fridge. I'm not even like canning them because Bruce eats them so quickly. And 2 regular zucchinis. So just a little bit for today. I'm staying inside today. I don't think you can really tell, but the beginnings of a storm that's arriving is occurring. It's blowing a hoolie out there right now. It's Hurricane Earl. It's passing into Canadian waters. So hurricane season actually in Newfoundland, I think, is from June to November. It's not that we get hit often per se, like with dead-on hits, but we certainly feel all the effects of the Caribbean hurricanes. So I brought my little pot in. Asked Bruce to help me because my back isn't too good today. And so he's having a spa day in here. There's lots of little peppers coming, but and the tomatoes. Ooh, I can't even get up with my back. So it's just as well I'm not going outside today. I don't know what I've done, but I had looked out the window and saw leaves blowing by. So I thought, oh no, my plant. I've already checked outside also on my other tomato plants, which is what I'd be worried about. And yes, it's the wind is coming straight off the ocean, which is rare for us. It normally comes down the hills from behind. So it's affecting my tomato plants. We'll see what damage is done after the storm. But this fella for today, I'm happy he's in a pot and he can rest inside. So I quickly tried to string together what's already falling over. The wind has died down just for a moment right now. So I think it's just because rain's coming through. I've tried to prop up, oh my goodness, are they going to make it? I don't know. And my globe artichoke, which, oh my goodness, has been such a journey to get this. It's about ready to harvest. So I just stuck a tomato cage on it. I don't know if that'll help, but I don't want to come out with that fallen over when it's just about ready, probably in a day or two, to be picked. So yeah, I'm going to get in. The ocean out there, can you see it, is getting wild. But we have a little break in the wind, but it's about to pick up in a couple of hours. Not terrible, you know, for us. 86 kilometer winds, I think it is. But, and again, we're used to it, crazy. However, for tomato plants and things, the squash plants are really getting beaten up. They're flying all over the place back and forth, so I don't know if they'll remain. Actually, they were flipped the other way earlier when I come out, and now they're back leaning a different way. Well, I'm getting wet. I'm going to run in. Well, day 2 and the winds are down to about 68 kilometer gusts. We hit the 96, I think, at least. So I'll flip you around. My tomatoes aren't looking too good. So, yeah, they're even flinging them all over. So we've got, oh, man down everywhere. This is a tomato cage that's fallen over. Oh. Cosmos, well, they hadn't flowered. They were just big beasts that did nothing. But if you look here, I did try tying some things up, and this one hasn't fully snapped off yet. But many have. You see them just hanging there. They're hanging everywhere. It's still raining. I'm not sure yet if these, they look fine there. You can see where they've just all been very much beaten up. Oops, my wood just blew off and it's really raining. This plant seems intact, just a little tilted, but it should be fine. Down here, little tomatoes thrown everywhere, and lots of broken branches in there. Coming around. Yeah, I can't tell 100% what's broken yet. Well, yes I can. Okay, so that's not good. You see them just bent and off. So there'll be a lot of green tomatoes. And here I thought I was going to have a good tomato year. They're all snapped off. All broken. Oh dear. Look at that. And I can't follow them down, but all bent and gone. So it's a shame. I'll come out when the sun shines. Oh, look. He's not even on a... Oh. Wasn't that going to be a nice one? They're all falling off here. I'll come out tomorrow if it clears up a bit. I think it's still going to be crummy, but maybe less wind. And gather what I can here. The whole garden has taken quite a hit. Quite a hit. These potatoes I just showed the other day, they've all fallen down. It won't hurt those at all. You can see the wind rock there. It's just taking the fennel right out of the ground. Swiss chard just snapped, which is really bizarre. Squash, well, they've just all snapped all over. I don't think there's any coming back for some of these. Yeah, just completely snapped off. And I'm not sure if the plants have held together. The parsnips have snapped off, which is odd too. Anyway. Quite a windstorm. It's on its way out now. It's still looking pretty yucky out. And that's the update on that.